Mahogany Plantation here sa Maria Isabela.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa isang plantation ng isang invasive species sa Pilipinas na tinatawag na mahogany or Titania macrophylla. Belongs to the family of Maliaceae.
Mahogany is a native tree in South America but is widely cultivated here in the Philippines. All the things with the native is that they are not the right trees to plant for reforestation.
But otherwise, there is the benefit of the mahogany trees to the environment, release the sulfur compound that can reduce the atmospheric warming led by greenhouse gases.
Mahogany is especially problematic because it is allelopathic.
Allelopathy is the ability to suppress the growth of other species. Ito ay isang biochemical phenomenon na kung saan ang isang organismo ay nagpo-produce ng isa o higit pang biochemical na nakaapekto sa pagtubo at pag-germinate ng isang halaman.
In this group of mahogany trees, the forest floor is devoid of other growths that's not ideal nor natural.
Mahogany forests may be vulnerable to the effect of climate change, such as changes in temperature, precipitation patterns, and frequency and intensity of extreme weather events.
For forestry student, of course, alam namin na ang mahogany ay hindi pwedeng gamitin sa reforestation.
The ownership of this plantation is Mercedes Andrus et al. From Naganakan, Isabela at mayroon itong 19.43 hectare na dating cogonal land.